Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this look and it's my everyday go-to makeup tutorial. So my base and eyebrows are already on and I'm just priming my eyelids with this eye primer from MILANI. I'm going right in with Unconditional from the LORAC Unzipped palette and I'm using my Sigma E40 just to add a bit of definition to my crease. Now going in with my LA Girl Gel liner in black, I'm going to be pushing this into my lash line as well as lining my upper waterline, and it's okay if it's sloppy because we'll soon be going in with Kat Von D's Trooper eyeliner, and I'm making this line a little bit thicker than usual because I messed up. But yeah, so this is how I put on my liquid liner. I just use very small taps of the calligraphy pen tip and then I connect all the dots and wing it out using small brush strokes. Then I prep my lashes with waterproof mascara for my falsies. I use my Ride or Die Misha lashes by KOKO Lashes and the glue by House of Lashes. This glue does not irritate my eyes. And yeah, just place the lashes against your natural lashes and push it up against your lash line. Just going in with my suntan bronzer from Cover FX, and I'm going to contour my face a little bit and just blend it out if you have any harsh lines. And I'm going to take this along my cheekbones, my temple, and my forehead. Going in with Wish from Kat Von D, and I love this color. I think it just gives me the most perfect apricot glow. The color isn't overwhelming and it's just a really nice everyday blush. Then I'm going to go in with Luminous Light from Hourglass and I'm using my e.l.f. blush brush and gonna just highlight there, and then I'm gonna take it on my Cupid's bow to bring a little bit of light to that area. Then I'm gonna dip my pinky in it and use it as my inner corner highlight. This is a small oval full lips enhancer, and all you gotta do is suck on it when you push it up against your lips to create a bit of a vacuum, and that's what plumps your lips. It's natural, it doesn't hurt, it takes like 15 seconds, and when you take it off, your lips should be a bit plumpier. And the results are kind of staggering considering it's only 15 seconds. Now I'm going in with Aria by STILA, their liquid lipstick, and this color is so beautiful. I love this color. Not only do I love just the color, but the formula is so comfortable to wear. It's long lasting. I would even say it's moisturizing. I don't have any lip balm under this lipstick, but it's just so comfortable. So yeah, give it a try. It's awesome. Anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys like my go-to makeup look. It's very easy. Yeah, so subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!